What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review how to make a YouTube banner with Canva. The banner is the first thing people see when they click on your channel, so it's a great way to show people who you are and what kind of content you make. So in this video, I'll walk through every step on Canva and then I'll show you how to upload it to your profile. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to canva.com and I'll link that in the description below. You'll need to create an account and I just use the free version. And once you sign in, it'll bring you to a home page that looks like this. To create a banner, you can go to custom size on the top right. Type in these dimensions for the width and height. Then you'll see YouTube banner suggested and click on that. This will bring you to a blank banner where you can customize it. And the banner that actually shows on your profile is really only a small portion of this. So I'm going to add some rectangles so I can use those as a guide. And a shortcut to add those is to just hit the R on your keyboard and that will add a square. So the first square I'll make with these dimensions. Make sure it's centered. Go up to transparency and then turn that down. Then I'll click R again to add another rectangle. And I'll make this one with these dimensions. And I'll do the same thing. I'll go up to transparency and then turn that down. Now I have a good general outline of the area that I need to work within. And now I can actually start making it. So to change the color, I'll go up to the color icon on the top left. I can adjust the color to anything I want. I'm apparently in a pink mood today, so we'll go with that. Once I choose the color, now I can start adding text. So I'll go to text on the left and then add text box. I'll just type my name. And I can also change the font. Aloha looks perfect. Just what I'm looking for. Then I can change the color of the text by going to this icon. I'll just keep it black. Then I can move it over or to wherever I want it to go. I'll add another text box. Then I like to add a couple words that describe the type of content that I make. I make a lot of tech and travel videos, so I'll just do tech and travel. And to get that dot in the middle, it's Shift Option 9, for anyone wondering. I think that looks pretty good, and now it just needs a photo. So I'll go over to Uploads, Upload Files, scroll down to Photos, choose one that I like, and then click Upload. Then I can double click on that, and it adds to the banner. I'll adjust the size so it fits within those rectangles. And then adjust it so it's centered. Then I could add more text if I wanted to. I'd say that looks good enough for now, so I'll take off those squares and upload it. So to take those out, I'll click on them, go to transparency, and put it all the way to 0. Now I'm ready to upload it, so I'll go to Share on the top right. Choose Download. I always change the file type to a JPEG. And then click Download. Now to add it to my YouTube channel, I'll go to YouTube Studio, and then go to Customization on the left, and then Branding, and this is where I can upload it. So I'll choose Change. Click on Downloads on the left, find the banner, and then click Upload. And then the last step is to click Publish on the top left. Right, sorry. That's my right. And then the last step is to click Publish on the top right. We're just gonna go with that. I'm not redoing it. I'm done. Worked enough. Done enough work today. And for a tip, sometimes I like to remove the background of the photo so it looks a little bit cleaner on the banner. And to do that, just right click on the photo, then choose copy subject, then go over to Canva and click Command V to paste it. I'll delete out the old one. And that's how you can remove the background. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And that was how to make a YouTube banner with Canva. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And for all of the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below. And I'll see you next week.